The American Pavilion, and we will be singing some more a cappella tunes for you today as we spread some holiday cheer. But before we continue on with our show, you'll see that we have so many friends here with us on the floor because it is the best place to hear our show. Seated right around this red circle or anywhere underneath this beautiful dome is where you get the best sound for our show. So if you're underneath the balcony, we'd like to invite you to come on in and we'll help out. If you're on the floor, go ahead and scoot all the way up to the edge of the red circle for me to create some space and come on in. And of course, my poor friends over here, you're gonna get my skirt right by every time, but don't worry, I'll be nice. So come on and have a seat. We've got space over here. We'd love to have you. And if you're seated behind us, you are welcome to come around and see our Christmas smiles. We'd love to have you. Thanks for helping us out with that, everybody. Or you can stay exactly where you are. That works too. But if you do change your mind, you are welcome to come and join us here underneath the dome. Well, is everyone having a good time today at the Festival of the Holidays? We are glad to hear it. Well, we know that Christmas isn't the only holiday celebrated this time of the year. Many of us will be celebrating the Festival of Lights, or Hanukkah.
Light one candle for the strength that we need to never become our own foe. Light one candle for those who are suffering the pain we learned so long ago. Light one candle for all we believe in. Let anger not tear us apart. And light
holidays are celebrated all around the world, and we here at the Voices of Liberty really like to know what we are singing about. Well, this next song is of Spanish descent, and it's entitled Fum Fum Fum. So we went over to our friends in the Mexican Pavilion, and we said, we'd love to know what the translation of Fum 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 is. What does it mean? And they told us that it simply means Fum Fum Fum.
Boom, boom, boom.
Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. On December 5 and 20, boom, boom, boom. We have songs and carols plenty, boom, boom, boom. And the tidings we will bring, as our carols we will sing to the Son of God so holy, in a manger mean and lowly, boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.
Long ago in Bethlehem, sing boom, boom, boom. Blessed was the day for them, sing boom, boom, boom. Naked sheep and oxen piled, Mary bore a little child. In a manger there so lowly, cradled Jesus, Savior holy.
Boom, boom, boom.
Brightly shone a star that night, sing boom, boom, boom. On the shepherd's gala light, sing boom, boom, boom. Lo, an angel did appear, told the shepherds not to fear, for he brought to them glad tidings of great joy to that abiding.
Boom, boom, boom.
Joyful all ye nations, rise and boom, boom, boom. Join the triumph of the skies and boom, boom, boom. Hallelujah, now we sing praises to the newborn King. Hallelujah, now we sing praises to the newborn King. Boom, boom, boom.
On December 5 and 20,
On December 5 and 20,
we have songs and carols plenty,
we have songs and carols plenty, boom, 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 boom.
Liberty. We hope you have a happy Hanukkah, have a Merry Christmas,
And a Happy New Year.
happy holidays, everybody.